Hey, welcome back, and today we are talking about how to add image to your 3D model in Blender. So in this video we will add image texture to our clock model. We will add an image texture for the hours digits on the clock interface. So let's get into it. First of all, this is a model for clock. There is 4 types of material assigned to different faces. Now we will add an image to this material. This is a simple white material that is a simple noise texture that is connected with the bump node that is then connected with the normal of BSDF, giving some surface imperfections. Now to add the image, make sure you have unwrapped your model. You can simply do it by going to the UV editing tab and going to the edit mode of the object, selecting all by A and pressing U and Smart UV project, or by adding seam and unwrapping it manually by pressing the U and unwrap. Now to add image to your model, press Shift A, then S to search, and then MC for max color and enter. This will add a max color node. The function of the max color is to add or mix 2 colors. In our case, the image color and the noise color are a flat white color. Next, press Shift A and add an image texture. Connect the color into the B value of the max and the alpha of the image texture into the factor of the max color. Then click Open and open the image. Connect the output to the color input of the BSDF. You can see it. The image is not correctly placed. To replace it correctly, we will scale our UV map, but this will distort the mask if there is any. So for that, we add another UV layout. Just go to Object Data Properties, that is here, UV, and add another UV layout and select that UV. You can also name your UV as you wish. Now come to the shader editor, press Shift A and add a UV node. Search for UV and there will give you a UV node. Plug the UV into the vector of the image and now click here, select that UV. This tell the Blender that for the specific image use this UV instead of the main UV. And now the object is using that UV. Now go to the UV editor and select all the islands, then scale, rotate and position it where you want the image to be and perfectly place the image there. Now to add bump, duplicate the pre-existing bump node and put it between the bump and the normal that give us a height value. Just plug the image color into the height of the second bump, adjust the strength, and you are done. Our image is fully displayed on the 3D model. In the next video, we will talk about how to turn your texture from boring flat texture to more realistic texture. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. And then last, I was me, Fazal.